Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will going to show you unboxing of Ninja air fryer, which is 10.4 liter with FlexDrawer with dual technology. So let's now do the unboxing. This is the first look. All these are nothing, just supporters to protect it from inside. And now this is our air fryer. Here is the first look of it. Now removing all the film. Now we'll do all the unpackaging. Now we'll open it, and it has two drawers in which we can make two dishes at the same time. Also we can remove the middle part to make it in large portion. So now let's go over all the functionality. This air fryer is very easy to use with clearly marked settings and touch screen or dial controls. On the left hand side, this is a power button. This is start, stop, and here we can maintain all the temperature. On the right side, we have a sync and the match button for zone 2 and the zone 1, and in the middle zone, mega zone. And we have a max crisp air fryer, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and proof. We just have to add ingredients to each drawer, choose a function, temperature, and cooking time for each zone, and press sync. To copy the settings from zone 1 into zone 2, just press match. So mostly of the people don't know what is Ninja dual technology. So it lets you independently control cooking programs, temperature, and times across two drawers or zones. That means you can cook a complete meal in one appliance. Think roast chicken in one drawer and air fried veggies in other. Just to make sure all the settings are on the same time and you can enjoy your food together. You just match the settings easily and you can cook food together in both of the zone or in the one zone. Here is the look of our chicken fried which we have done today. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the other video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.